let's get started. Carefully cut open the box from all sides. Remove the bike from the box packaging, ensuring not to damage any contents inside. Carefully keep it upright and take help if needed. Cut the cable zip ties and carefully remove the foam packaging. Do not scratch or damage any components. Let's have a look at the parts you get inside the box. User manual, left and right pedals, saddle and seat post with a back reflector, Allen keys with a wrench. Let's begin by attaching the handlebar to the stem. Place the cycle on the floor as shown in the video. Unscrew the 4 bolts using the provided Allen key. To open the stem cap, you have to rotate the Allen key anti-clockwise to unscrew the bolts. Hold the base plate while unscrewing the last bolt. Remove the stem cap base plate and grab the handlebar. Center your handlebar onto the stem and reinstall the base plate. Tighten the bolts evenly, clockwise, to reattach the base plate using the Allen key. Make sure the cables pass cleanly in front of the bike. The ideal angle to keep the brakes is 45 degrees. After locking the handlebar, adjust the front white reflector and tighten its screw with a screwdriver. It's time to attach the front wheel. Remove the safety cap from the wheel and place the cycle fork on the wheel mounting slots on the axle. Make sure to slide the wheel disc rotor in between the brake pads. Put the washer and the nut on the wheel bolt and tighten it first with your hand. Repeat the process on the other side. Now use the wrench to tighten both sides properly. Now lift the cycle from the handlebar, spin the wheel with your hand and apply the front brake to check its functioning. Now let's attach the pedals to your bike. The pedals are right-left specific. They have left and right markings on the pedal spindle. Double check the marking before attaching them to the pedaling rod. Let's install the left pedal. Place the left pedal in the placeholder on the opposite side of the chain and lock it by rotating the spindle anti-clockwise. Hold the pedal and use the wrench to properly tighten the spindle. Attach the right pedal that goes on the same side of the bike as the chain. Rotate the spindle clockwise to tighten it. After the initial threading with the hand, give it a final tightening using the wrench. Let's attach the seat post. Begin by sliding the back reflector into the ring attachment and placing this ring below the saddle on the seat post. Install your seat post by opening the quick release. Insert the seat post in the corresponding tube and tighten the quick release lever. Generally, you keep the saddle 2 to 3 inches below your waistline. Also, adjust the back reflector to approximately 5 degrees from perfectly vertical to the ground. Tighten the reflector screw with a screwdriver if needed. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your cult sport bike. Now it's time to hit the road and enjoy your ride.